Imagine waking up tomorrow and finding out that you will never become a millionaire. Not because you do not earn money, not because you are unlucky, because you are making one small mistake every single day. The worst part is that almost everyone does it without realizing it. What is this mistake? Let us find out. Most people believe that becoming a millionaire requires a huge salary. They think, if I could just earn $200,000 a year, I would be rich. The reality tells a completely different story. There are people earning six figures who live paycheck to paycheck. There are ordinary workers with average incomes quietly building million-dollar portfolios. So what is the difference? It all comes down to one habit. They buy liabilities instead of assets. Every time they earn money, they spend more money. They buy a house, they buy a car, they buy the phone.
They buy designer clothes. They go on luxury vacations. For a week, it feels amazing. Then the excitement fades and the bigger bills stay forever. This is called lifestyle inflation. Imagine two friends, John and Mike, both get a $1,000 raise. John upgrades his lifestyle. Mike invests. John chooses pleasure. Mike chooses freedom. After 10 years, Mike has built a massive portfolio. That is the power of compound growth. They chase the appearance of wealth instead of actual wealth. Real millionaires often do the opposite. Will this purchase make me look rich or actually help me become rich?